Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shaniece T. In today's video, I'll be installing and reviewing this beautiful Unice hair. Right now I'm wearing a 24-inch frontal wig. The frontal is 13 by 4 and the density is 150. It feels so thick. It really feels like 200, and the length is not given 24. It's given very much 28 inches. The hair is super soft, and it took to the black dye ASAP. Because you know, when I dye my hair, I water dye it because that's the easiest method. So as soon as I dipped it in the water and I took it out, the whole wig was jet black. It's super soft and it curls really easily. Before I recorded this, I did heatless curls, like after I washed it. Obviously the curls have dropped, but it's giving me beach wave curls. Little to no shedding at all, and it's really soft, thicker than it says, longer than it says, and it's amazing. So when they sent me the wig, it came with 2 headbands and 2 packs of wig caps, which is always useful, and it came with a pair of lashes. So if you want to know how I installed this wig, please stay tuned for the rest of the video.